So before I start this next video, I just wanted to show off this diff. So this was actually out of my red S14. Turned out amazing. It's a little bit more of a gold hue than what my camera is like picking up right now, but it's still kind of more or less a fainter gold. But I had a guy chrome it locally. Came out rather good. Get the thing to focus in. Really good. But the whole thing was disgusting. I actually took it to work and hand wire brushed this entire thing back clean again. My only regret is not sanding this a little bit more smoother, because on these you can see a little bit of pitting. There's a couple of chips around the edges, but this came out amazing though. He actually primered it and sanded it really smooth. This is actually almost like a painted coating, not like a traditional chroming. Looked up the website on like the actual chroming thing, and they say that like General Motors uses it to chrome their plastic pieces and stuff like that. So seems to be, I mean, it hasn't been on the car yet, but other than these little chips around the edges where it was taped off at, everything else seems like it's holding up pretty well. The true test is putting it up on a car, of course, but paint the rest of it black, paint all the bolts black, and then taped off the socket so I can actually put them in there and torque them down without them chipping, and they actually did not chip. So little side project of mine. It will be going in the car and never be seen again, taking it's going to be underneath a car. It's probably going to sit a couple inches off the ground, but looks good while it's out. All right, guys. Gotta get my camera angle way down here. Bought some new wheels for the new project. I sold the Z. As you see, it's not in the garage. Amy's car is the only one that's in here. I sold the red 240 I was doing a 2J with, and I bought something that I've always wanted and I think is slightly better than what I had beforehand. So I'm gonna start doing unboxing videos of parts, and through the parts you'll probably get closer and closer to what exactly I got until I have some obvious parts, which will be like body parts for that exact car, and I'm going to say what it is. But the car's not here yet, so I would love for y'all to just guess in the comments what you think it is. I'm also going to have my tenants and designs making a picture for me for the car. So he'll be painting out the car, and you know, whoever guesses it first, I like send them off some stickers and some stuff like that. So anyhow, today is going to be an unboxing video of these Rays 57 DRs. Gotta be careful not to touch the top of that. Alright, so show y'all in the box. Alright, so I have opened up one of these boxes already, so I already know how it's packaged. We got the instructions mainly inside of Japanese all everywhere, and Graham Lights sticker. Got the foam on top of the wheel. I'm gonna sit it back down so I can pull this out. So this is going to be Rays Graham Lights 57 DRs inside of gun blue. So in person, not much blue. Even in this camera, you really don't see, you see a little bit of blue hue, but that's about as blue as it gets. It's pretty gray. This is actually my favorite color that these wheels come in. This is a 18 by 9.5 plus 12, so it's the deepest. You can get a 9.5 through them. You can see the profile right there. For the car that I'm rocking, this is still going to be another drift car build. Eventually it might be, you know, pretty decently fast as well. So, but mainly almost all my cars are always gonna be drift cars unless it's like my truck or something like that. And these are like pretty much the perfect, you know, balance of wheel, 18 by 9.5 plus 12 squared. As you see, tags down there. So now I'm at the order tires for these. I'm probably gonna run some 235 squared, probably a Federal RSR or something like that of that nature. So yeah, really excited for this new whip. I think all of y'all are gonna like it a whole lot. So guess in the comments though, the next modification that I open up, which will actually be tomorrow, you'll pretty much know exactly what it is. So yeah, alrighty.